Very good morning to all students. Today date is 21st January, class 10th. Subject is political science. And political science, we are discussing about the political party. And in this chapter, we understood different things such as what is a political party, what are the main components of a political party, what is the functioning of political party, and what is a national party and what is a state party, and how can a party can be considered as a national party and as a state party. And in this perspective, we also discuss about different 7 national political parties of India and what are the challenges before political parties and how can we how can we reform some system of political parties. एक पूरी के पूरी चैप्टर में ये सारी चीज़ें हमने उसमें देखी हैं कि पॉलिटिकल पार्टी क्या है, कंपोनेंट्स क्या हैं, फंक्शंस क्या हैं और पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ किस तरीके से वर्क करती हैं, हमारे देश में कितनी नेशनल पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ हैं, कितनी स्टेट पार्टीज़ हैं और पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ के सामने चैलेंजेस क्या क्या हैं और उनको कैसे रिफॉर्म किया, उनमें सुधार कैसे किया जा सकता है। तो कुछ जो मेन पॉइंट्स हैं वो आपको नोट करने हैं, बाकी तो मैंने आपको लेसन जो समझाया है उसके थ्रू आपने समझ ही लिया होगा। तो जो कुछ पॉइंट्स मैं आपको राइट करवा रही हूँ वो अपनी नोटबुक में इनको नोट डाउन करिए। पहले तो यही राइट करेंगे व्हाट इज अ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी। तो पॉलिटिकल पार्टी क्या है, राइट करेंगे पॉलिटिकल पार्टी is a group of people who come together to contest elections and hold the power in the country. Okay, नोट करिए इसको। components of a political party, there are the following components of a political party. First is the leaders, second is the active members, and third is the followers. Third is the followers. Note down करिए। क्या क्या है components? Components, the leaders, the active members and the followers are the some special political components of a political party. Now see by political leaders to contest elections. फर्स्ट फंक्शन क्या है? कैंडिडेट्स आर पुट फॉरवर्ड बाय द पॉलिटिकल पार्टी टू कॉन्टेस्ट इलेक्शन। पॉलिटिकल पार्टी के द्वारा उनके कैंडिडेट्स को इलेक्शंस कंटेस्ट करवाए जाते हैं। सेकंड है आपका पार्टीज पुट फॉरवर्ड their policies and programs for voters to choose from them, थर्ड फंक्शनिंग नोट करिए पहले। पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज play an important role in making laws पूरे कर नोट करिए 3 पॉइंट्स, फिर उसके आफ्टर उसके आगे पे राइट करते हैं। Political parties form and run the government. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन क्या कि पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज फॉर्म एंड रन द गवर्नमेंट। We see in chapter that candidates fight elections and after winning they make their government and run the government. I am writing this. I hope that you have noticed all the 4 points. Next is parties that lose election play the role of कि जो पार्टी इलेक्शंस को हार जाती हैं वो क्या करती हैं, वो अपोजिशन पार्टी का रोल प्ले करती हैं। पार्टी से पब्लिक ओपिनियन, पार्टी के द्वारा जो लोगों के व्यू हैं उनको भी सुना जाता है और इसके बाद उनके व्यूज़ के अकॉर्डिंग ही, उनके ओपिनियंस के अकॉर्डिंग ही जो पार्टीज़ हैं वो वर्क करती हैं। लास्ट है पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज। पॉलिटिकल पार्टी provide people access to government machinery These are the 7 functioning of a political party. Now political party systems. Political party system different countries all around the world follow different political party system in their country. So we take some examples as one party system, two party system, a third है multi party system, Listen very carefully. In this party system, only one party is allowed to control and run the government. In this party system, only one party is allowed to form the government and run the government. एक ही तरीके की पार्टी होती है, उसी के द्वारा गवर्नमेंट बनाई जाती है, उसी के द्वारा जो है पावर कैप्चर किया जा सकता है। और for this China is the best example. China has one party system. The best example is for that in the China. China has the one party system. China has the one party system. But we can say this party system is not good for democracy because voters have no choice that he or she can choose their representative. So this system is not good. Now two party system. In this party, two parties have a serious chance to win majority and form the government. In this type of system, political party system, two parties are available. Voters have to choose from them. यानी कि दो पार्टियां होती हैं, वोटर्स को उन्हीं में से चुनना पड़ता है. USA and UK are the best example of two party system. USA and UK UK are the best example. Are the best example of two-party system. Two-party system. यानी यूके और यूएसए टू-पार्टी सिस्टम का बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल है. एंड मल्टी पार्टी सिस्टम. इन दिस पार्टी सिस्टम मोर देन टू पॉलिटिकल पार्टी contest election and make the government and form the government. In this party system, two or more than two political parties contest election and after winning the election they form the government and run the government. That is the multi-party system, and India is the best example of the multi-party system. India is the best example of multi-party system. When we are reading the chapter, I have told you that there are more than 750 parties in India. कि इंडिया में कितनी पार्टियां हैं? एटलीस्ट 750 से भी ज़्यादा जो है पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज हैं, बट देयर आर ओनली 7 नेशनल पार्टीज इन इंडिया. ओके, नाउ नोट दिस. Now note down types of political party. Types of political party. Types of political parties. So there are two types of political parties. That is national parties and state parties. The party whose existence is all over the country, that is known as the national party, and the party whose existence is only in some state, that is known as the state party. The party whose existence is all over the country, that is known as the national party, and the party whose existence is only in some states, that is known as the state party. There are some criteria for being a national party and for a state party. So write that. National party. The party whose existence is all over the country, is in all over the country. It is called a national party. So a party that secures at least 6% of the total votes, a party that secures at least 6% of total votes in Lok Sabha election. In Lok Sabha election, or and Sabha elections and 4 seats and secures 4 seats, that is known as the National Party. A party that secures at least 6% of total votes in Lok Sabha election or Assembly election in 4 seats, wins at least 4 seats in Lok Sabha and secures 4 seats in Lok Sabha, that is called a national party. The party whose existence is in all over the country, it is called a national party. A party that secures at least 6% of total votes in Lok Sabha election and secures 4 seats in Lok Sabha, so that is known as the national party. Now, what is a state party? State party the party whose existence is in one of the federal units, that is known as the state party. और ये पार्टी that secures 6% of total votes in assembly elections, at least 2 seats in legislative election, that is known as the state party. A party who secures at least 6% of total votes in assembly election, state assembly election, and wins 2 seats, at least 2 seats in assembly election, that is called the state party. Now it's enough for today, and we will write some more points in our next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.